I'm going to show you how to create an animated AI avatar in a cute style just like this for free. Let's go. Alright, so the first step is you want to go to the link. I'm going to put it in the description below. And real quickly here, this is a free avatar creator. The reason why I'm showing this to you is it allows us to increase our production value and ultimately help our channels grow. The ability to have little characters kind of slide in or animate in and say something and add some context, or maybe be a foul-mouthed creature or something like that. It adds a lot of production value and it's free. You'll see here on this page here, it says free to use, no credit card required. Okay, so simple. Let's click on create now. Here we go. It's going to load up Adobe Express, and then you'll see here that we can animate from audio. So before we do our animation, look at this here. We've got characters. Now, as far as I can tell, there's like almost 100 characters in here, and it's all different types of things. Animals, people, doctors. I mean, whatever this is, a taco or something like that. Emojis, a crayon. I mean, pick whatever the heck you want. I'm going to go ahead and pick on, let's do a Sasquatch. What do you think? Yeah, let's do the Sasquatch. Hell yeah. All right, so we got a Sasquatch, and you, of course, can pick whatever you want. For background, I want this Sasquatch to be in, well, here's the first thing. You can do a transparent background, which basically means there's nothing in the background, but I want to have a little bit of fun. So I want this Sasquatch in front of a genius chalkboard. See how much fun I'm having? And then I'm just going to go ahead and maybe reduce the size a little bit, because maybe our little Sasky is too big for this. Okay, we're going to go with something like that. Okay, we got a Sasquatch in front of a Einsteinian chalkboard. Good fun. Okay, now let's click on size, and there are a whole bunch of different options here. I'm going to go ahead and select, I'm going to select, you know what, I don't want to do Instagram, I want to do YouTube. So let's do landscape 16 by 9. So there we go. Yeah, that looks a little better. But if you're into TikTok or YouTube Shorts or all that kind of stuff, Instagram Reels, you can do the Shorts version as well. Now, the next and final step is you just have to record what you want it to say. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and record what I think a Sasquatch would say in front of a Einsteinian chalkboard. Here we go. I'm going to hit record, and you're going to see here it takes 3-second countdown, and then we'll just do our little voiceover. Grrr, I'm a Sasquatch. Yeah, I'm an angry Sasquatch. Okay, that was pretty silly here. But anyways, you'll see here that it says hang tight, just generating your preview. So it takes a few seconds to generate it. I'm going to come back when this is done and show you what we got. Grrr, I'm a Sasquatch. Yeah, I'm an angry Sasquatch. Alright, how cool is that, eh? All I had to do was click on this little download button, and off it goes. I do keep in mind that you need to be signed in, so I signed up with a Google, my Gmail account, but when I click on view account here, you'll see here that this is a free account. It's completely free. It has no, it start a free trial today. There's nothing paid on it. This is free software. This will increase your production value, add a lot of cool stuff that you can do to your videos to make them better, all for free. Thanks for watching, guys.